Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build flow controls in C++. Flow controls allow branching and repeating of statements. First way you can use to branch the statement is to use the if-else conditions. You can use the comparison operator to build the condition inside the if-else statement. Depending on the outcome of that condition, different block of code will be executed. You can build more complex if-else condition using these logical operator not, and or. With this operator, you can construct more complex branching. You also can branch in C++ using switch if you have many cases. Remember to have the break statement to jump to the end of the switch block. And the default is one of the special case in the switch branching. Sometimes you want to repeat a block of code multiple times. You can use while loop for that. Remember that inside the body of the while loop, you need to have a statement to change the condition outcome so that you can have a chance to stop the while loop. Do while loop is a similar way to loop a block of code. The difference is that do while loop execute the block of code at least once. For loop is also similar to while loop, but the difference is that the statement that changes the condition is right up here inside the for loop declaration. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.